Good morning, people of the universe. Sobrang aga, sobrang naulan. At ako'y sobrang antok, boy. Kailangan natin umalis sa maaga. Kasi may pasok pa tayo. Ilang buwan na ako nakahayatos, boy. Kailangan natin bagong account. Bagong channel. Account! May channel na ako,
Yeah.
Hindi, bagong video. And I've got my outfit for today. Pero sana maganda siya sa utak ko. Okay? Kasi kagabi ko lang siya iniisip. Sabi ko, ito yung outfit na gusto ko. Pinipili ko sa utak ko. Ito. So, sobrang rich naman ng ano ko. Pagkain.
Ay!
No! Look at my breakfast. Breakfast consists of whatever nutrients you got in there. It'll help you to boost whatever strength I'll need later on to work.
Nako, pag hindi kita ihahatid. Mag-commute.
Pahatid ako. Pahatid din ako. Don't!
Hindi, may klase ako.
May orasan ka talaga. 6:14 na.
40?
14. Laki nagat mata mo ng ipis!
Uy, dalian mo. Magsi-7 na.
There was a time, kamo, pagkalabas ko ng village namin, saktong-sakto sa waiting shed, dumaan yung PTX bus. Our village, by the way, is near the bridge. Girl, yung bus, dinaanan lang ako na parang hangin. You know what I did? Tumakbo ako as if my life depended on it. I was waving, I was sweating hang. Yung legs ko, kamo, dumang-dama ko yung pagtibok ng calves ko. Sa nakalagpas na yung PTX bus sa bridge, and I was left in the bridge. Wala may envision yung paghihirap ko. Sana alam niyo yung pakiramdam, kasi pinagtitingin na lang talaga ako ng mga tao dun sa waiting shed, and it sucks, man, it sucks!
Remind me to do that never again.
You know what? Di muna tayo papasok. Kasi, mag-relax muna ako dito sa tabi. Sa gilid lang to ng building. And then, wala, masaya lang ako. Mukha ba akong cool girl sa'yo? Lang nga. Do I look like this cool girl aesthetic that you'd see on Pinterest? Like, I'm that girl. Isa lang ako, walang tao. Okay lang maging sobrang awkward. Kasi ako lang naman mag-isa. Talaga may dumaan. Tigil ko ng video na to. This part of building, by the way, Ashi property. Smile. Tignan may dumaan. Yun talaga yung biggest fear ko. Sana walang dumaan. Mumukha naman akong engot eh. Mumukha akong weirdo na nagsasalita mag-isa.
Gumawa pa ako ng bang video with this outfit? I mean, like, sayang naman, di ba? One content, one day. No way.
Kaso tinatamad pa ako mag-edit. And I'm so good in changing outfits. Nag-change na din. Yung curtain box ko kasi kumuha. Yeah. Yeah. Kasi hindi ako pwede pumasok ng ganito. May motor na dumadaan yun. Okay na. Ayun siya. Ayun din, allergy na din ako. Ganap din naman. Ganda. The way the I need poetry class. The way the sun hits the floor and then the floor reflects the light and the light is shining and I am in awe. Basta yun.
Pumasok na ako kanina. Right now is noon time.
May nakita kong bangka at pasok sa Balasang Boy. 10 pesos lang as well. I know this is so unhealthy but like, sino ba ako para tumalo? Ano na lang, rendering na lang siya. So, wala pinapapasukan! Magpapasukan. Oh God, kanina pa nakatingin. Muna lang ako. Kasi di ba, yung phone na to, nakalagay dyan. Nandyan yan, di ba? Nandyan ka. Kunwari nandyan ka. Tapos dito banda, may pillar. Dyan nakalagay yung phone. Yung pillar, nandito yung pillar. Kasi yung pillar malaki siya. And then may guard doon. Yung guard, nakitingin pa naman. Tapos ako, todo usog naman sa pillar party naman. June 13, man. Ang bilis! Like, I've been here for about 2 months and soon, another 2 weeks. Kaya, bro, sinusunod ko lang talaga. Ang saya din kasi sa work. Like, imagine going, wait, how do I explain this? Iba kasi yung experience niya compared sa work immersion era namin. Like, in school, right, you get to do some work immersions. And then you'd expect that work will be like this, but in reality, it's the opposite of what you expected. Hindi siya mahirap for me. Actually, it's fun. And I enjoy work. Siguro nakadepende na lang siya kung anong work papasukan mo. But in this case, medyo lang ako nahihirapan in some parts, but like, if I would sum it up in general, it's fun. So fun. And, marami akong tututunan. Favorite part ko, okay, like top favorite part ko, gumigising na maaga, and then namamasahe. And then, seeing the outside world na para bang lumabas ako galing bahay nila. Alam mo yun, yung pakiramdam na nakahinata ka na mo, magdamag, tapos pagkalabas, nakikita mo na, oh, this is what it feels like, traffic. This is what it feels like. There are other people outside. Nakakasalamuha mo araw-araw. Napaparealize nga ako sa mga maraming bagay. You know, about privileges and stuff. How privilege goes a long way. It depends on where you were born, how you were raised, and the things you had, the opportunities you have right now. Like, everything's always dependent. It's not fair to a lot of people. Pili lang. I think as much as I can, and I have this little time in work na hindi pa ako nag-aaral to college, I think I'm susulitin pa. O nga pala, madami pala nagtatanong, magka-college ka? We? Rendering ka na? Alis ka na? Bakit? Girl, there was an opportunity to study, okay? My father was like, okay, here's your tuition fee, go study. I'm like, oh, thank you, daddy. Thank you. He's like, how much? I'm like, ching, 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 ching. And he's like, okay, go study. I'm like, oh, father, my Father's Day. Kasi, tapos, sabi ko, mag-resign na po ako, mag-aaral na po ako. Hindi. Actually, it's a good thing. Nung bakasyon kasi wala akong masyadong ginagawa. And, makakatulong pa ako sa magulang ko with the money, bro. So, it's like, hitting two birds with one stone. Tsaka nagkaroon pa ako ng experience.
Okay, queen.
Come on,
right now.
Ano
Experience.
Nani? Ano yung experience? I had the experience to know what it feels. Nag-conclude na ako sa utak ko na bumaba sa trono ko ng pagiging grown-up 18-year-old because I realized I'm not cut out for this. I'm not in the condition, and thank you anyway for the opportunity. Pero okay lang. Kasi, you know the good side of that, since nagawa ko na siya ngayon, like I'm 18, right? Nagawa ko na siya ngayon, and if I already graduate.
5 years later.
I already graduate from college. I already have that. Like, I do not have to run errands to get some of these and that in different places. Documents and files and everything, whatnot. Kasi meron na ako nun. Bro, meron na ako nun. Atin-atin lang to. Atin-atin lang to, okay? What makes your work feel light when the tasks are heavy? Well, actually, the tasks aren't heavy, but you get what I mean. It's always the working environment. Kapag maganda talaga yung mga, like, the working area, the workspace, the people, and they're so kind, and they're so welcome, and they're so open to being close with you, and helping you, like, letting you grow with their space. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Lalo na kapag nalalabas nyo lahat ng humor nyo, and you can't help but be included because you feel included because they let you be included, diba? Ay. Yeah, I will miss this. Mamimiss ko to. I miss you. Mamimiss ko to. Akin to. Lalagyan ko ng signature. Kalabas na tayo. And may TF. Ayoko na! Hindi ako nagpa-vlog! Who said I'm vlogging? I'm filming.
No, don't speak in English.
Oh my gosh, wala na. Nanaig na yung hiya ko. Ayoko. Punong-puno na yung katawan ko ng mani.
Okay.
Thanks. Baka tayo nasa ano? Dahil sa ilaw.
Oo. Kaya ko na lang.
Ganun.
Uy, legit lang mo nangyayari sa akin.
Kapag masyadong masaya, Mahilig ba kayo sa bayabas? Mahilig ako sa bayabas. Isa ito sa mga favorite fruit ko. But not the favorite fruit. Gaya ng mangosteen. But like, it's still one of the best. Pinitas lang namin galing puno. Wala lang, share ko lang.